what's up? We're going to go to a festival to George Square. This is my first vlog I've made, and just so we are here, and we have came to we came for Glasgow City Centre to the George Square, so we have to walk there because there's like traffic in the city centre, as you should know. There is traffic in the city centre, so now we have to walk. Now we're going to cross the bridge, and so now almost there in the city centre. I'll just show it from the other side of the camera. This is the other side of the camera, so we have to go on this bridge to go to city centre. So on the other side of this bridge is city centre, and this is the bridge. our city, so we have to walk to George Square, and it's gonna be some time. So yeah, we're gonna have to walk.
But the bang bang embrace, yeah.
Early money low, she get it good from she rise. But put it on so good and make she shake all she ties. Smile upon her face, me know she pleased with this eyes. Calling her ramp to make them gyal a roll out them eyes. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there.
Wine for your good, make sweat a drip off of me body, yeah. Oh, you full of chatter, you can keep up with me energy. What a epic night of it, embedded in your memory. Little bubble up, it treat it like a felony.
What you gonna do when there is nobody that do it better than this reggae guy? I can do this every morning, every evening. Have you screaming straight back to sunrise.
Bang, 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 yeah.
Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there, why not go down
Yeah,
there?
go down.
Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there.
Yeah, nobody fight it, just get in a the position and boss one. Never you forget this is your mission. If you take a girl, man, you have it in a condition and boss one. Take a sip and lose your inhibition. Cause when you dip in it, you start my ignition. See you swinging it and this is my ambition. We give you the legit love, make you turn and twist and me give you the speed, make you balance and grip on.
Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there, why not go down
Yeah, go
there?
down.
Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there.
Stay down there, girl. Stay down there. My time to wine up. Let them know say that nobody can stop me shine. Caribbean girl, they never clean and refine. Girl, just make them know that you are one of a kind.
Cause I'ma do it like I pop it through the night. I saw me do it like one thing I tell you, man, and get me hyper. Go down there, why not go down there? Go down there, why not go?
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze.
So we've arrived at George Square and the time is 1923.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Hey, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G-O-D, don't believe in T-H-O-T. She keep playing me dumb. I'm a player for fun. Y'all don't really know my mental. Let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling out in a drought. No flow rain was I'm pouring down. See that pain was all around. See my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know.
So it's freezing cold, and yes, so we're just gonna go home because, man, you can't even stand the cold here. So yeah, we're just gonna go home, and I'll see you later.
Which way to turn? Flow was cool, but I still felt burned. Energy up, you can feel my surge. I'ma kill everything like this purge. Let's just get this straight for a second. I'ma work, even if I don't get paid for progression. I'ma get it. Everything that I do is electric. I'ma keep it in motion, keep it moving like kinetic. Put this shit in a frame, better know I don't blame everything that I say. Man, I seen you deflate. Let me elevate this in a prank. Have you walking on a plane? La 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 la. Both hands together, God, let me pray. I been going right around, call that relay. Pass the baton back in the mall, swim swimming in a pool, can't drink them all. Want a piece of this, a piece of mine, my piece of sign. Can you please read between the lines? My rhymes inclined to break your spine.
And now some hot chocolate to finish off today.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice, nice.